Good morning, students. Welcome to the second chapter of Class 8 Mathematics book. Today our topic of discussion is linear equations with one variable. Before entering into this chapter, we need to know some of the basic concepts about all these terms. So first of all, we will be discussing this and then we will be solving the equations. In the lower class, we all have read about algebraic expression. What is an expression? I wrote here 7x plus 3. Again, let me write 9y minus 2, 10p plus 8q. So here I wrote some of the combinations of constant and variable terms. There are alphabets and numbers, and some operations have been made between the terms, individual terms. So these are known as algebraic expression, where constants and variable terms are present and some mathematical operations have been made. So these are all known as algebraic expressions. Then we will discuss variables and constant. All these are components of algebraic expression, such as, for example, the expressions are made up of variables and constant. The numbers present here like 7, 3, 9, 2, 10, 8, all these are constant terms, and the alphabets means X, Y, P, Q, all these are variables. Variable means to vary, means the value may be anything. Constant means it is fixed as it is. Suppose if we say 2 mangoes, then we supposed to mean 2 mangoes. If I say 2 pen, then I will mean 2 pen only. But if I say X number of pens, then X means anything. I can consider anything. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or 10 or 100. I can imagine anything. Variable is flexible, but constant is strictly the same as that value consists. So all these are about variables and constants. Then we will discuss equations. Equation is a condition upon variables. There are two must present things in equation. One is variable and another is equation. I mean equal sign. For example, 2x plus 3 equals to 1, 7y minus 5 is equal to 0, 10p plus 3 equal to 10, 1 plus 9z equal to 9. You see here there is a variable present, that is x, and an equal sign is there. So this is an equation. Again in the second one, the variable is y and there is an equal sign present. This is an equation. Here p is present and an equal sign. This is an equation. And again z is the variable here and the equal sign is also present. All these are known as equation. If I write only seven x plus 1, then this is not an equation because no equal sign is present here. And if I write this is also not an equation because there is no variable and this statement is also wrong. So in equation, a variable has to be present and an equal sign has to be there. So we discussed about what are equations. Then we will discuss what are linear equations. Linear equation means the power should not be raised greater than 1. See, for example, here the power of the variable x is 1. There is nothing written, means it is 1. So this is a linear equation. See, the variable is x here and its power is 3. 2x cube plus 3 equals to 0. The highest power of the variable in this equation is 3. So this is not a linear equation. In this case, the variable is y and the highest power is 3. So this is not an equation. In this, the highest power of variable p is 4. So this is not an equation. But if I write 13y plus 2y equals to 0. Here the variable is y and both the power are 1. So this is a linear equation. And if I write 2z plus 3 equals to 1, the variable is z and there is nothing written in place of power, means the power is 1, and this is a linear equation. I hope you are clear about the linear equation. Now let us move towards linear equation with one variable. This was all about linear equation. Now let us discuss linear equation with one variable. Let me write some of the examples. I have written 4 equations here. You see, the variables are x and y. Again, there is second power of y. So in this equation there are 2 variables, x and y. So this is not the equation with one variable. Again, you see here 2, 1 and 10 are constant terms and one variable is present, that is x. So we can say this equation has only one variable. And again, this is also linear. Here the degree is 2 of q and another variable p is present. So this is not with one variable. Here 3 variables are present, x, y and z. So this is not the equation with one variable. The only equation that has one variable is the second one only. So now I hope you are clear about the linear equation with one variable. Now let us discuss what is solution of an equation. The value of the variable of an equation which satisfies the equation is called solution of the equation. It means if I take a specific value of the variable for a specific equation, then if that will satisfy the right hand side, then we will know that that value is the solution. For the better clarification, let us take an example. If I write 2n equal to 10. So what number should I place in place of n, so that if I multiply it with 2, then it will be equal with the same as RHS, means 10. So obviously if I write 2 into 5, then it will be equals to 10, that is equals to the RHS. So the value of n, the variable, is 5. So here the solution is 5, means n equal to 5. So in this equation, the value of the variable is 5. So solution of the equation is 5. I hope you are clear with the solution of an equation. Then how to find the solution? There are several types of equation and we have to follow several methods to find the solution. So now let us discuss about that.